Yeah, so hello, this is Ashwini, and I just completed my course in training, teaching, and developing the professionals. So I really had come to the course with the intention of becoming a technical trainer. And earlier prior knowledge I had, with which I was not confident at all to be a trainer, was only reading the material, creating the PPTs, having some demos, and giving the session. These were only simple 4 steps, and after coming here I realized that was not even 1% of what we should be really doing it. And there's so much insight you need to know, you need to learn, which I learned here. And now finally I really feel confident to be going out, selling my knowledge and getting the work for me. And it has been an amazing journey for last 4 days. Thank you.